Hey all! I know I always say you're gonna like this clip, but this time is for real. Who doesn't want to see what's inside Mickey Mouse?
It has quite a few screws. The electric motor changes electrical energy into mechanical movement. It is about magnets and magnetism. Have you ever played with magnets? Here we have the on-off switch. Here are the wires that connect the batteries to give energy. There is the brain. And here we have the motor that makes everything happen, not by witchcraft, but by the aid of spinning wheels and levers. So what have we learned today? Stay tuned and we will play and learn together.